so you open up Binance. Once you open up Binance, I will go to where there is wallets, and then we shall go to our fiat and spot. Here where there is fiat and spot. In case you're using the Android app, you can still look for where there is fiat and spot. Yeah. Then you open that. Yeah, this is how it will look like. We are now in the fiat and spot, as you see right here. We're in the fiat and spot. Now we shall scroll down and look for the cryptocurrency that we're going to receive. Remember, as we said earlier, we are receiving USDT. We have USDT right here. So we shall tap on deposit. We are going to tap on deposit where there is deposit. On the USDT, tap on deposit. After we tap on deposit, it will bring us to this page. Yeah, so here we are going to select the network. You should be very keen when selecting this. Make sure you select ERC20, because that's the network you're going to be receiving the USDT from. You select ERC20. Yeah, this one varies depending on what you're using, but with yellow card, for this case, we shall use TRC20. It's here, the last one here. You select Tron TRC20, it's TRX Tron. That's the Tron network. Yeah, so the address is right here. This is the address that we need to copy. That's where we are going to be transferring the USDT to. Yeah, so we shall tap on, you come here to copy, click to copy, you click this to copy the address.